Castor oil is a versatile type of vegetable oil that has been around for hundreds of years. The oil is extracted from castor beans and actually has many different medicinal, pharmaceutical, and general uses that most people are unaware of. We created this video to let you in on some of the hidden benefits and uses that can hopefully benefit your life and overall health in a positive way. Be sure to watch until the end because there's one that I think will surprise you. So if you're ready, let's get into it. Just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only.
Welcome to The Guardian's Choice.
The first one that I want to mention is that castor oil can be used as a deep facial cleanser. Research has shown that castor oil is useful for removing makeup, reducing acne, and soothing sensitive skin. It is also much friendlier for cleansing your skin compared to some of the common types of soap that many of us use. Castor oil is known for having antibacterial properties. However, unlike some of the soaps and detergents sold in stores, it doesn't strip the top layer of your skin of its good bacteria, which is actually good when it comes to preventing acne. Another benefit of castor oil is that it can reduce wrinkles. Research has shown that castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties and antioxidants that can combat free radicals and protect your skin from aging. Castor oil also contains ricinoleic acid, which is a monounsaturated fatty acid that serves as a natural moisturizer, which of course is good when it comes to reducing wrinkles over time. Not only can it reduce wrinkles, it is also effective in reducing stretch marks as well. Stretch marks are actually a type of scar that occurs after your skin becomes stretched in a short period of time. When this occurs, the collagen in your skin breaks, and the healing process leaves behind these marks. With that said, research has shown that massaging castor oil into stretch marks causes the scar tissue to flatten and become softer. This provides deep moisturization and helps them go away over time. One thing to keep in mind is that this technique works best if the marks are less than 2 years old. Another benefit that we should mention is that castor oil can promote hair growth. Castor oil contains fats and other properties that can promote a healthy scalp and treat dry and damaged hair. It works by lubricating and moisturizing the hair shaft, which promotes hair growth and decreases the chances of breakage. Studies found that it is also effective in treating dandruff, which is an inflammatory scalp condition that causes flaking. Simply applying castor oil to your scalp twice a week can result in thicker, shinier, and stronger hair over time. Castor oil is also believed to be an effective remedy for arthritis. Arthritis is a painful condition caused by inflammation in your joints. So it only seems natural that the anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil can help alleviate these unwanted symptoms. It can be used as a massage oil applied directly to your joints and muscles to alleviate pain. It is also believed to be effective when taken orally as well. So, you can consider adding it to your TEA with a pinch of ginger for maximum results. I mentioned this earlier, but castor oil can also serve as an effective treatment for acne. Acne is a skin condition that occurs when follicles are plugged with oils and dead skin cells. It is often caused by inflammation, which explains why castor oil is an effective treatment, thanks to its anti-inflammatory properties. Not to mention, castor oil has antimicrobial properties that can help fight off the certain types of bacteria on your skin that cause acne. It can be applied daily to treat acne that is already present. Or if you want to prevent new acne from occurring, you can apply castor oil a few times per week. Another medicinal benefit of castor oil is that it can boost the immune system. Some researchers believe that castor oil can increase your white blood cell count, which increases your body's ability to fight off infections. To be more specific, it is believed that castor oil increases lymphocyte production. Lymphocytes are a type of white blood cell that produces antibodies whenever an infection is present. So by increasing the amount of lymphocytes, it strengthens the immune response, which helps eliminate invading viruses, toxins, and bacteria. Moving right along, if you're having trouble sleeping, you're going to like this next benefit because castor oil may potentially provide relief for insomnia. Insomnia is a sleep disorder in which it becomes difficult to fall asleep. If you've been experiencing this, just know that castor oil can help. More research is needed in this area, but some people have had good results with rubbing a small amount of castor oil on their eyelids before bed. The absorption promotes relaxation, which can help you fall asleep much faster. Another common medicinal use of castor oil is to relieve constipation. It contains properties that act as a natural laxative in our small intestine. This explains why researchers often promote castor oil as a natural way to relieve constipation. However, while castor oil is often considered to be safe in small doses, consuming too much can lead to unwanted side effects. So just to be safe, it's always best to speak with your doctor first before using. Another surprising use of castor oil is as a treatment for ringworm. Ringworm is a circular and often itchy rash caused by a fungal infection. There aren't actually any worms involved in this rash. It gets its name due to its circular appearance. The good news is, castor oil has antifungal properties that can be effective when it comes to fighting off the fungi that cause ringworm infection. Is this video useful for you? Hit the like button. It really helps support the channel, and I greatly appreciate it. And while you're down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well, because we have a ton of other videos on our channel that I think you will enjoy.